Hey guys, want to know how to see or view your OkCupid profile in OkCupid? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now, first up, checking your OkCupid profile is super simple. So, right now, just simply open up OkCupid first. And once you're in the OkCupid app, you should be provided with this main interface right here. Now right under, you can see various menus such as your home, likes and so on. And on the right side, you can see your profile like thing. Just simply click on your profile icon. And once you've clicked on the bottom right, there you should be seeing something like this. This should be your profile. And that's it. Super simple and easy. Now you can edit your profile picture, your bio and anything you want. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.